Located on the Malden Public Schools website is the district's reopening plan for the 2020-2021 academic school year. The plan starts off with a letter from Superintendent John O'Terry to Malden school families. In the letter, the superintendent announces that staff will start preparing for the school year on August 31st, and students will start remote learning on September 16th. He also promises that every student in grade pre-K to 12 will have a Chromebook or device for remote learning. The reopening plan consists of 3 different learning models: remote, hybrid, and in-person. The remote learning model consists of students engaging in synchronous and asynchronous daily learning. The remote model will utilize Google Classroom as the main platform for learning. The plan outlines sample remote learning schedules by grade level. There is a schedule for kindergarten students, students in grades 1 through 6, students in grades 7 and 8, students in grades 9 through 12. The hybrid learning model consists of student cohorts participating in cycles of in-person and hybrid learning. The model also requires necessary health and safety protocols. The in-person learning model provides full-time in-person learning for a small group of students requiring specialized supports. Students identified as high needs through the IEP process, students who cannot engage in remote learning due to their disability-related needs, students who primarily use aided and augmented communication, students who are homeless, students in foster care, and students who are Level 1 English learners qualify for in-person learning.